probably. One that has well, we haven't seen like even in the United States for a while. On the coast now.
Where'd you be at Eves?
Falls. I mean, out on the coast.